Once upon a time, HobbyKing was a place to buy batteries cheap enough that if you exploded one, you just shrug, order another one, and be back in the air by the next weekend. But then the world changed, prices went up, new brands appeared, premium packs started costing $30, $40, sometimes £50 each, or $60 to our American friends. And suddenly, buying batteries felt less like shopping and more like taking out a mortgage. But we've come full circle because these are HobbyKing's new Turnigy Apex competition pack, available both in 4S and 6S. Instead of trying the most expensive batteries money can buy, we're going to answer a much simpler question. Can you build a bag full of quality LiPos without emptying your bank account? That's a question every FPV pilot wants answering. So, let's take a look. Now, I didn't narrate this pack, and I didn't narrate this pack for a reason. I wasn't actually going to speak over the top of it because a battery is at the end of the day a battery. As long as it provides you with the power that you need in order to complete the flight that you need to complete, then it's successful in my opinion. But I do think it's important, by the way, I did just hit the tree then. I do think it's important just to highlight how cheap these batteries are in comparison to others. Looking on the website, they're about €22, so about 20 quid or maybe $25, $26, give or take. That's in comparison to others where you're spending sort of 30, 40 quid in general. That's really cheap in my opinion. Now, you'll see that this is the 1100 mAh pack. I did also run the 1300 mAh pack as well, but ultimately, I don't want to bore you guys with just watching me fly around the field and saying this battery feels like a battery, because that is what it feels like, and I don't want to oversell it. I don't want to shill it. I want to be completely honest with you, and for 20 quid, there's no problems at all. I've got the same amount of power that I had previously. I've got the same amount of kick as I had previously. It does everything that a battery needs to do without being spectacular, but whilst also saving you an absolute fortune. If you buy a few of these, you're laughing. Like I say in the intro, we all started, or certainly us OG guys all started buying Turnigy batteries from HobbyKing back 10, 15 years ago. Obviously then things changed and everyone wanted premium and competition and precision and this, that and the other, and battery prices just went insane. They used to be so cheap, and I appreciate everything has gone up in price. The one thing I'll say is this is the second year in a row now where HobbyKing have sent me their new batteries, and on each occasion they've been significantly cheaper, and the performance has been exactly the same as what you'd expect with a traditional LiPo supplier. I mean, at the end of the day, they're all coming out of the same place. So you expect to have similar sort of quality. And that's exactly what we're seeing here with this. So I'm going to shut up for probably the last 30 seconds or so of the flight, let you enjoy it with a little bit of music, and I'll see you guys for the outro. Okay, so a bit more of a relaxed video today then, and those are the batteries. That's the performance that you can get. It's really nice to have another battery manufacturer out there that's producing decent LiPos for us. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to grab some, grab some. One more day. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.